Coolant is a vital service performed in the manufacturing industry that involves the use of a fluid to regulate the temperature of machines and tools during the manufacturing process. The coolant is used to prevent overheating, reduce friction, and remove debris and chips from the workpiece. Coolant is typically made up of a mixture of water and chemicals, such as lubricants, rust inhibitors, and biocides, that are tailored to the specific needs of the manufacturing process. The use of coolant in the manufacturing industry has several benefits. It helps to improve the quality of the finished product by reducing the risk of damage to the workpiece due to overheating or friction. It also helps to increase the efficiency of the manufacturing process by reducing the amount of time required for tool changes and maintenance. Additionally, coolant helps to reduce the environmental impact of the manufacturing process by reducing the amount of waste generated and the amount of energy required to operate the machines. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of custom metal parts and components for a wide range of industries. The company offers a variety of services, including machining, welding, and fabrication, and is committed to providing high-quality products and services to its customers. The use of coolant is an essential part of the manufacturing process at Berkness Company, as it helps to ensure the quality and efficiency of the production process. If you are interested in learning more about the use of coolant in the manufacturing industry, or if you would like to learn more about the services offered by Berkness Company, you can visit the Contact Us page on the company's website. The page provides contact information for the company, including phone numbers and email addresses, as well as a contact form that can be used to send a message directly to the company's customer service team. Whether you are a current customer or a potential customer, the team at Berkness Company is always available to answer your questions and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your manufacturing needs. FAQs. 1. What is coolant used for in manufacturing? Coolant is used in manufacturing to cool down the cutting tool and workpiece during machining processes such as drilling, milling, and turning. It helps to prevent overheating and prolongs the life of the tool and workpiece. Coolant also helps to remove chips and debris from the cutting area, improving the quality of the finished product. 2. What types of coolant are available for manufacturing? There are several types of coolant available for manufacturing, including water-based, oil-based, and synthetic-based coolants. Water-based coolants are the most common and are typically used for general-purpose machining. Oil-based coolants are used for heavy-duty machining to provide better lubrication and rust protection. Synthetic-based coolants are used for high-speed machining and provide excellent cooling and lubrication properties. 3. How do you choose the right coolant for your manufacturing process? Choosing the right coolant for your manufacturing process depends on several factors, including the type of material being machined, the machining process being used, and the desired surface finish. It is important to consider the compatibility of the coolant with the material being machined, as well as any environmental or safety concerns. Consulting with a coolant supplier or machining expert can help you choose the right coolant for your specific application. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.